Hi students, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinon, அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Unit 2 Numbers, Part 8. In this video, we are going to focus on how to learn the multiplication tables in an easy way, then interesting facts, finally 6 to 9 multiplication table in your hands. Why do we learn multiplication tables, ma? Is it possible to do mind calculation? Sure, it's possible. If you know the tables very well, sure, it's possible only. Okay, ma? Let us have the example. This clippings we have already seen in an addition and subtraction video, isn't it? Good. So, after watching this, Pranish asked his mother to do this. So, இதை Pranish செய்ய சொல்லி சொல்றாங்க. அதை பார்த்துட்டு ஓவியா வீட்லையும் ட்ரை பண்ணலான்னு சொல்றாங்க. Then and also Yuvan. So, இப்போ 3 பேர் வீட்லையும் இதை prepare பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So, how many members are here? 3. And how many items? 1 item. Very good. After watching this, Pranish also tried to do this lemon juice by himself. அவங்களே அதை ட்ரை பண்றாங்க. ஓவியா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. And also Yuvan do the same. ஓகேவா? Now how many items are here? 2 items. But how many members? 3 members. So 2 items into 3 members equal to 6. So இப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு தான் நம்ம டேபிள்ஸ் கத்துக்கிறோம். And also இதை நம்ம மாத்தியும் சொல்லலாம். எப்படி? 3 members and also 2 items. ஓகேவா? So நம்ம interchange பண்ணி சொன்னா கூட we will get the same answer only. ஓகேவா? Factors மாத்தலாம் but product will be the same. So its name is called commutative law. This also you will learn in higher classes. How to read the multiplication facts. So இது எப்படி வாசிக்கணும்னா, this first one is multiplicand and this one is multiplier. அதாவது 2 வந்து 3 times multiply பண்றோம். அததான் 2 3s are அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? This one is product. So இதை வந்து multiplicand and multiplier னு சொல்லலாம் and also ரெண்டையுமே factors னு சொல்லலாம். இதையும் நீங்க படிப்பீங்க and answer is product. In lower classes, we have learnt like this, isn't it? From addition fact to multiplication fact. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம practice எடுத்திருப்போம். Am I right? Good. After that, skip counting. After drawing this number line, we have marked with skip counting, isn't it? Good. And like tables way. Tablesல இருக்க மாதிரியே numbers அப்படியே போட்டு multiply பண்ணி எழுதியிருப்போம். கரெக்டா? These are all for single digit, isn't it? So one more method is the dot product method. So இதே மாதிரி lines வரைஞ்சு கூட நீங்க இந்த method யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். No problem. But finally you will get the same answer only. So இதுல நீங்க எந்த method follow பண்ணாலும் sure you must get the same answer. First let us see the 2 times table. Look at this. Look at this in the right side corner. 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 0 full of even numbers, isn't it? Good. Fine. You can write in your hand also. This mark as the 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 and 18 and 20, isn't it? So இதுல எத்தனாவது finger? 9th finger, isn't it? So 2 tablesக்கு நம்ம இப்படி மைண்ட்ல வச்சிருந்தோம்னா 2 9s are 18. So இந்த மாதிரி கூட நம்ம படிச்சிருப்போம். Am I right? Okay. இதே மாதிரி கூட எல்லா டேபிள்ஸ்க்கும் நம்ம மைண்ட்ல வச்சு கூட படிச்சுக்கலாம். Here is the 3 times table. This you know very well, but let us see the interesting facts. So suppose if you forget the table, what to do? You can use this method also. This is the grid method. See here, in first row, enter 0 0 in the 3 boxes. In second row, 1 1 1. Third one, 2 2 2, isn't it? Okay. இப்படி எல்லாத்தையும் fill பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, isn't it? So இப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணி கூட நீங்க 3 times table recall பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Next 4 times table. Look at this table. See, all the unit place are ended with even number, isn't it? So 2 times table and also now 4 times table, both are ended with even numbers only. Yes, next is 5 times table. Look at the digits. See here, all the unit place are ended with 5 or 0, 5 or 0. Like that it's going on, isn't it? Good. So it's very useful in watching time also. Am I right? Good. For time பார்க்கறது கூட நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி தான் வரைஞ்சு நம்ம மினிட்ஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். கரெக்டா? So it's very important and also easy, isn't it? Good. Up to 5 times table over. Let us have a break. See here, skip counting, isn't it? So here is the skip counting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, isn't it? So இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம தரோ பண்ணாலே maximum is enough. So remaining is very easy. I'll help you to learn remaining also. Here is the table chart. Look at here. Yes. In between one white border is there. That means these are all square numbers. I'll explain later. And left side is equal to right side. ரெண்டு பக்கம் ஒரே மாதிரியான ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாங்க. அப்படியா? பார்க்கலாமா? Yes. These are the answers for one time table. So நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி multiply பண்ணீங்கனாலும் you'll get the same answer, isn't it? So 1ஆல multiply பண்ணும்பொழுது we get the same answer. So 1 5 6 are 1 7 are 7 and 8 9 and 10. Okay, now come to the 2 times table. Inge 2 table multiply with 2. Then 3 2s are 4 2s are, and the 2 table answers are now we are going to enter. See here, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 times 2, and like that it's going on, isn't it? The same will be follow in this side also, because 2 3s are அதே answers தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். இங்கேயும் 2 tables னு வச்சுக்கலாம் தானே. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Shall we see that? Okay, good. இதே answers தான் நமக்கு அங்கேயும் கிடைக்கும். This same 12, 10 is not fixed in that proper area. Okay, 18 and 20. Now come to the 3 times table. So இப்போ இது வரைக்குமே நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? 2 tablesல 10 வரைக்குமே fill பண்ணிட்டோம். Now 3 times table, already 3 1s are 3 is there, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 only we are going to enter, isn't it? So இப்போ 3 tables answers fill பண்ணுவோம். We know, isn't it? Just I filled here. But now this side, 3 4s are, then 3 5s are, 3 6s are. Like that we are going to enter the answer fast. Good. So 24, 27 and 30. Okay. So now come to the 4 times table. So here also 4 1s are 4, we know. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, we know, isn't it? Now 4 4s are only we are going to learn now. So 4 4s are 16, 20, then yes, here itself I am going to explain. So இங்க என்ன ஆன்சர் வருமோ அதே தான் அங்கேயும் வரப்போகுது. ஓகேவா? Okay. So now 4 times table also over. Now come to the 5 times table. So இப்போ 5 times tableக்கு இந்த இடமும் நமக்கு தெரியும். இப்போ இந்த ஆர்டர்ல பார்த்தாலும் 5 10 15 20 ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சா? Okay. So 5 5s are 25 is the center answer. Here also I am going to fill both sides. So ரெண்டு பக்கம் same ன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா? That's what we are going to see here. 10 5s are 50 or 5 10s are also 50. Good. So maximum area we covered, isn't it? So ரெண்டு பக்கம் நம்ம cover பண்ணிட்டோம். Now 6 6 are 36 and 7 6 are 42. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம ரெண்டு சைடு ஈக்குவலா இருக்குங்கிறத எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றோம். இன்னும் நம்ம எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா படிக்க போறோங்கிறத நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? குட். Good. Yes, here also we filled with that. So 72 also will become in that side. 80, 81 and 90. That side also 90. Finally 10 tens are 100. Here is the tips to learn easily. Let us focus on first point, multiplication table of 0, 1 to up to 10, isn't it? For that we need the empty chart. Okay. First we need to enter the zero table, isn't it? Zero table is there? Yes, whatever number if you multiply with 0, you will get the answer 0 only. So no need to worry about that. 0 எங்க பார்த்தாலும் 0 வால multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the answer 0 only. இது எங்க multiplication tablesல மட்டும்தான். நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Tablesல 0 வால multiply பண்ணும்போது you will get the answer 0 only. Now come to the second one, one table. Here also it's very easy. So 1 ஆல நீங்க எந்த நம்பர் multiply பண்றீங்களோ sure you get the same answer. For example, 100 ones are 100. Apple ones are good. Apple only. Okay. Come to the 2 times table. I entered all the 3 times table, 4 and 5 times table. So we need to enter in that right side also, isn't it? So vertically நம்ம enter பண்ணிட்டோம். Now we need to enter in horizontal way also. அங்கேயும் fill பண்ணிட்டோம்னா it's that easy. So remaining column only, isn't it? Okay. Now come to the 10 table. So 10 table நம்ம fill பண்ணோம். That is also easy, isn't it? So for maximum area covered. So what will be the second point? Multiplication table of 9. So 10 table fill பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் இப்ப 9 table. See here, I'll give the answer to check with that. அதை செக் பண்றதுக்காக நான் கொடுக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா? How to learn? We have already learned up to 5, isn't it? So 9 5s are 45 வரைக்கும் நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும். அந்த 45ல 4 comes right side and 5 goes left side. It's easy, isn't it? So அந்த 45 தான் swap ஆகி right sideக்கு மாறி வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? In that 3 goes right side and 6 goes left side. So இப்ப புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். 2 goes right side and 7 goes left side. So it's easy, isn't it? Okay. Finally, we need to learn only 9 box only, isn't it? Good. What is the third point? It's a square number, isn't it? What is mean by square number? That means number is multiplying by the same number. So ஒரே நம்பரால multiply பண்றோம்னா we get the square numbers. What is that? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16 and 5 fives are 25. Up to this we have already known, isn't it? ஏற்கனவே நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. So what will be the remaining? 6 6 are 36. இதை நம்ம படிச்சுக்கணும். 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. இந்த மூணு மட்டும் படிச்சாலே போதும் because already we have learnt 9 9s are 81 and 10 10s are 100. இது நம்ம ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா? So what will be the remaining? Only these 3 boxes. So come to the fourth point. 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. This also we need to learn. 6 7s are 42 and 48. This side also. So at last 7 8s are 56. Shall we enter? Good. Look at here. One more interesting fact. See here. 7 8. Here 5 6, isn't it? So 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. So order படி கூட நம்ம இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். That means 7 8s are 56 or 5 8s are 56. 54 னு confuse ஆயிக்க கூடாது because 54 must be in 9th table and 56 must be in 7th table or 8th table. இதுல மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So அதையும் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். So நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்தாச்சு. Let us have the glance 6 times table. Yes, in this also even number, so all the number digits, sorry, unit digits ended with even numbers only. Okay, let us move to the next 7 times table. Yes, like 3 times table. Here is one interesting fact. Look at here, ones place 0 1 2, isn't it? 2 laye முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. Again started with 2 3 and 4. Here 4 5 6. Now come to the ones place. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and ended with 0, isn't it? Just for your reference, don't confuse with this. Here I am going to say the interesting facts only. Look at the units place. See here, sorry, tens place 0 1 2 3 4 and 4. Again started with 4 and 5 6 7 8. Then reverse 0 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 and also ended with even number, isn't it? Yes, the same way only. Second method also. Come to the third one. See, 2 table is double with fourth table. அதாவது 2 table double பண்ணாலே we get the answer of 4 times table. Once again 4 table ஓட answer double பண்ணாலே we get an answer of 8th table. How it's possible? See here 2 2s are 4. அதே 4 ஓல 2 multiply பண்ணாலும் we get the answer 8, isn't it? Okay, come to the second one. Here 4 is there. So 4 2s are, what will be the answer? 8. In the 8 oda double பண்றோம். 8 2s are 16. So whatever number, if you multiply with 2, you get an answer of 2, 4 and 8 times table. Next one is 9 times table. Let us see the first trick. See here, look at the answer 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. It's going on, isn't it? Then start from down. See 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, isn't it? This is the first trick. Next come to the second trick. We need to add the answers. Answerல இருக்கக்கூடிய ரெண்டு digit add பண்ணோம்னா we get an answer of 9. So அந்த digits add பண்ணாலே, answersல இருக்கக்கூடிய digits add பண்ணாலே sure we get an answer of 9 only. Okay ma? Come to the third trick. So this I have already told you. See 0 9 is the swap of 9 0. Then 81 is the swap of 18, isn't it? So அது அப்படியே மாத்திருக்கோம். இப்பதானே படிச்சோம். ஓகேவா? Okay. This one more method with your finger. See here. 9 3s are 27, isn't it? Let us check with the finger. See, you need to fold the third finger because we need the answer of 9 3s are, isn't it? So third finger fold பண்ணிட்டு left side பாருங்க. 2 fingers are there, isn't it? So that 2 comes here. And after this third finger க்கு அப்புறம் இங்கிட்ட 7 fingers are there, isn't it? அதே 7 தான் இங்க ஆன்சரா நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Shall we check with another? Okay. See here. Put down the finger you are multiplying by. உங்களுக்கு எந்த finger வேணுமோ, அதாவது எந்த answers வேணுமோ அந்த finger fold பண்ணிக்கங்க. See here. We need to know the 9 into 4, isn't it? So fourth finger fold பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So left side 3 fingers, right side 6 fingers. So what will be the answer? 9 4s are 36. Here is your answer. 9 4s are 36. See, one more method to learn the tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9 in your hands. Suppose if you forget to get the answer, you can use this trick also. Okay, va? Shall we see? Good. Put fingers together. The fingers நம்ம numbers இப்ப convert பண்ணிக்கிறோம். How? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So right side அதே மாதிரி 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ன்னு fix பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Good. So what is the question here? 7 into 8. So அந்த fingers மட்டும் join பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? அது மட்டும் touchல இருக்கணும். Good. இப்பதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம் 7 8s are 56 ன்னு இல்லையா? 5, 6, 7, 8. So இதை மறக்க கூடாது. 7 8s are 56. Okay, let us check with the fingers. See here, this divided into 3 boxes, isn't it? So இங்க ஒரு box இருக்கு, right side one box, down one more box, isn't it? Okay, so left side fingers right side fingers மட்டும் நம்ம multiply பண்ணிக்கணும். This side 3 and this side 2. So 3 2s are 6. This is the units. So right side answers, last digit answers வரும் இல்லையா? Good. Now come to the down. See here, join பண்ண fingers ஓட சேர்த்து எல்லா fingersக்கும் tens value நம்ம convert பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So totally how many fingers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? So 5 tens are 50. So 50 plus 6, 56. Hope you get it. Let us check with other questions also. இதே மாதிரி மத்த நம்பர்ஸும் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. This fingers trick is useful for 6 to 9 tables only. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Like a Hellcat.